It seems like Elon Musk just can't stop making headlines. Whether it's his electric cars, space travel plans, or artificial intelligence endeavors, this man is a true visionary. But now he's gearing up to blow our minds once again with the unveiling of the most advanced humanoid robot ever made. That's right, we're talking about Tesla's Optimus Subprime. And trust us, you won't believe what it's capable of. So buckle up and get ready for the future. Tesla's humanoid robot has left the world in suspense as it gears up for its highly anticipated reveal. The event is scheduled for September, promising a glimpse into the future of robotics. Tesla's sleek new robot is causing quite a stir in the tech world with its cutting-edge design and advanced capabilities. The question on everyone's mind is, how will this new arrival shape the future of human-machine interaction? Join us as we explore the details surrounding this exciting development and discover how Tesla's humanoid robot is set to revolutionize the way we live, work, and interact with machines. Don't miss out on this thrilling journey into the world of artificial intelligence and robotics. Tesla's humanoid robot has been in development for several years under the codename Optimus Subprime. Now the company has finally decided to unveil its creation to the world. On September 3rd, the event is expected to be one of the most significant tech moments of the year and will likely be streamed live on the company's website and social media channels. Although there have been no official announcements regarding the event, the news has been widely reported by various tech-savvy individuals. Musk has said that the robot is designed to perform tasks that are repetitive, boring, or dangerous, and that it will not have any weapons and will not be used for military purposes. He also envisions a future where the robot is common household items, like a personal assistant or a helper for the elderly. The robot is reportedly equipped with Tesla's full self-driving software, which is currently in beta testing and is being developed to allow vehicles to drive themselves. This suggests that the robot will have advanced AI capabilities and may be able to navigate and perform tasks in the real world with minimal human intervention. In addition to its AI capabilities, the robot is also rumored to have some impressive hardware specifications. According to reports, it will be around 5 feet tall and weigh approximately 125 pounds. It will have a lithium-ion battery and could potentially be charged using solar panels built into its body. The robot is also said to be very flexible with a range of motion similar to that of a human being. This flexibility would allow it to perform a wide range of tasks, and could even enable it to mimic human gestures and movements. The development of the Tesla bot comes amid growing interest in the tech industry in creating humanoid robots. In May, Musk revealed that Tesla had developed a prototype for the bot and that it was undergoing testing. However, he did not provide any further details about the robot's capabilities or functionality at the time. The announcement of the robot's imminent unveiling has generated a lot of excitement and speculation in the tech community. Some people are excited about the potential benefits of having a humanoid robot, while others have expressed concerns about the implications of advanced AI and robotics. As we eagerly await the big reveal on September, one thing is clear. Tesla's humanoid robot is sure to be one of the most talked about tech products of the year. What are your thoughts on Tesla's upcoming humanoid robot? Will it be a game changer in the world of AI and robotics, or do you have some reservations about its capabilities? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to stay tuned for more updates on this and other exciting tech developments. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to receive more updates about the latest tech news, please subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us continue delivering quality content. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the world of technology. We'll see you in the next video.